And good afternoon. A beautiful day out there. We have a storm system that's coming in tomorrow. Tomorrow will look nothing like it did today. We have a windy, wet Wednesday, and it'll be mild too. Temperatures will try to get to 60 degrees tomorrow, believe it or not. Sunshine returns Thursday and Friday on our headlines, and the Saturday showers return again with another push of mild air, and then Sunday sunshine. So a split weekend, Sunday being the better of the 2 days. Tonight, 35, stars and clouds with not much wind. Why did I show you tonight first? Because we want to focus on this storm. So let's talk about it. We've got these two areas of moisture coming together here. There's some Gulf moisture coming up the Mississippi Valley. There's a weather front back in here, and this is all coming together to form a storm over the heartland of the nation. And that is going to bring us gusts of wind, 40 plus miles per hour, between about 4 and 7 o'clock tomorrow afternoon and evening. And it's up to an inch of rain. It's going to be a quick shot of rain, but it will rain hard when it does come down. There could be some ponding on the roadways for the evening commute. I expect some issues on the roadways, so allow yourself some extra time tomorrow evening. And there's rain noon to 8, roughly. That's when you'll need the umbrella. So it's not an all-day rain. The morning is dry. And let's focus on the wind speed now. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. The wind's starting to freshen out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It might start to be a little gusty by then, but the gustiness comes in around midday, and by 2 o'clock, you already see the sustained winds of 20 to 25, and then we could be gusting to 30 to 35 at that time. Look what happens by 4 o'clock. Sustained winds close to 30, and now we're gusting to 40, maybe even to 45. Notice the red right along the shoreline. That's the highest wind speeds here. That's upwards of 30 miles per hour. So at the shore, without any friction, because the wind's coming out over the water, you folks know that you get a little more wind when you're at the shoreline. Look at Cape Cod here, sustained at 30 to 35. They could have a gust to 60 on Cape Cod as this front comes through later on tomorrow night. So here's 7 o'clock. After that, things start to calm down in the wind department because the cold front will actually be pushing through. So here comes the front. It's pushing in all this water coming in ahead of the system with a lot of wind out of the south. Behind it, the cold, dry air sweeping in behind it, and that will clear things out for Thursday and Friday. Here's the 7-day forecast as we look at it. Tuesday, today is a nice day, but then tomorrow, the wind and the rain, 58. Cool it down, dry it out Thursday, Friday. Saturday, we're back in the rain. Sunday, it's dry into the start of next week.